I'm no but whoever carved the skin off the commander was a certified psycho. I'm not gonna take your shit.
Anderson, I'm getting close. I'll be there soon.
Okay.
Anderson, talk to me.
Like what?
Like, why did you join the PKs?
I had a little sister, Olivia. One day she disappeared. She and her friend. One minute they were there and then we just couldn't find them. Never found the bodies or anything.
I'm through messing around.
She was 7 at the time. I was 14. Soon I heard rumors about the GRE abducting kids for tests. And the army covering it up. So, as soon as I could, I enlisted with the PK. Because they hated the army and the GRE just as I did. And that's that. Okay, Aiden, listen to me. Each exit has an emergency power supply. Look for the backup generators. And hurry. I don't think I have much time.
Okay. Anderson, talk to me.
Just hurry up.
I'm doing my best. Hold on. Hold on. Anderson, I'm almost there. I'm close. Anderson, answer me! Oh, fuck. Anderson, I'm here. Oh, no.
Aiden,
I'm here.
is Anderson with you?
Well, I'm sorry. She's gone, Ader. She saved my life.
Who's responsible? The freaks from the bazaar?
No, it just happened.
We have to take the windmill back, so I sent troops to the bazaar. We'll put the savages in order. I'm told that the explosions blocked the tunnel, Aiden. I'm sorry. Getting to the center will have to wait.
Yeah, that's all right. I need to get something back first.
Aiden, you're alive.
No thanks to you.
The people from the bazaar. They've gone totally apeshit, Aiden. They're massacring the PKs. They almost got me too. I'll come get you.
No need. Got the GRE key?
I got everything we need, amigo. Come to Sarah and Yana's.
The tunnel to the center is blocked.
I got another idea. Hurry up.
Lucas right away. Looks bad.
Whoa, it's on now, asshole. You fucking kidding me?
How'd that happen?
Anyone catch that?
Batter up! Get the fuck out of here.
Had this dream last night. The Missy was sick. Wiping out all the PKs. Woke up so
Hakon.
You're finally here. Let's go. When Yana heard you were coming, she grabbed Sarah and they left. Seems they weren't too fond of you.
Hey, where are we?
Fucking hell.
Calm down. Just let me see. Let me see. I'll help.
Fuck. Wait.
I'll help. Show me. Relax. You're gonna pull through. What's that? The wound from the Lazarus? So you killed Lucas.
If not for those brass knuckles, it would only took a few seconds to do the job. I thought he was a better fighter.
The fuck are you saying?
No point denying it with this wound, right?
So you carved out his tattoo and planted it on Barney.
Walt, he ordered the kill.
You're working with Waltz and you didn't tell me? You piece of shit.
Oh, you don't get it, kid. Walt would have killed me, you see, like he killed Dylan. And anyone who defies him. I have to get out of here, get it? I couldn't have told you.
Why? You know he's the one who tortured me in the past.
I didn't tell you in order to protect you. So what if you find out something about your sister? Walt will kill you.
Where is he?
Fuck!
Where is Waltz?
Supposed to meet him under the electric car factory in the GRE tunnel. Hey, then I'm fucking dead here, understand? They're gonna kill me. You'd leave me. You'd leave me now.
Give me back the GRE key, Hakon.
Here.